I'm Neha. I'm a happy customer of toothsi. I came across toothsi in Facebook for the very first time, and this was my second time of wearing braces, and I really didn't wanted metal again. So that's when I came across toothsi. I contacted the concerned person. To be honest, in the beginning I had my own doubts, but then I took a shot, and the very first consultation I had was for free. And that time I noticed they were so organized and everything, and they used to answer to my queries as soon as possible. Even the payment method was very flexible. They have EMI option, they have credit card option, etc. So that's when I decided to take the plan, and my plan was designed for 6 months, and I had 12 aligners to wear. But then I could see the result towards the 4th month end. All you have to do is follow what they say. They ask you to wear it for 22 hours, and please do wear it for 22 hours and use the chewy they provide. You'll see the result. It's a very good brand. It's blindly trustable and easily affordable. Thank you.